When does it ever make sense to put too much care into something? The answer is found at Rehab, where every splash is more than play. It's healing. Here, care isn't just an answer, it's love, it's compassion. It's the dedication of humans who pour their passion into every moment of recovery. At BWT, we share that same passion. We care for water, the water you drink, and the water that helps heal your heart's greatest companions. Our pool robot works smart with powerful suction, next-generation 4D filtration, and a design that never gets stuck. That means less time worrying about cleaning and more time focusing on the pets who need it most. Because at BWT, we believe technology should serve more than convenience. It should serve compassion. BWT, Best Water Technology, changing the world, sip by sip.